welcome back to KK Creations Official. I hope you all are doing great. Today I am making Laziza Khoya Kulfa. So let's get started. Ingredients that you need: pack of Laziza Khoya Kulfa, full cream milk 1 liter, butter or margarine 3 tablespoons, 2 slices of bread. So the process is, first of all, unwrap the packaging. You will get 2 free molds and the Kulfa recipe mix. So let's start making. First of all, pour 1 liter of milk in a wok. Turn on the flame. Add 3 tablespoons of margarine or butter. Bring it to boil. Keep stirring after 3 to 5 minutes. Cook on more than medium flame for 20 to 30 minutes. When it starts boiling, add the mixture. Stir continuously. Boil it until it's thick. Turn off the flame and let it go. On the other side, take 2 slices of bread and cut the sides. Cut into small pieces. When the mixture has cooled down, pour the mixture in blender. Add bread pieces. And blend it smoothly. Now pour the mixture in Kulfa molds. Keep it in refrigerator overnight. Garnish with pistachio. It's ready to serve. I hope you like the video. If you do, don't forget to subscribe, hit the bell icon, like, comment and share it with your friends, family members. Thanks for watching.